Finally, guys, our website is live now, and let me show you. So just go to Google and search Procoder, Procoder 09, and then hit enter. And the first website, let me just zoom it. Yeah. So the first website, just click here, and you will be redirected to our website. Okay. So here you can see we have three. Okay, we have three blogs right now, and so what's the main purpose that I have created this website? So the main purpose is I want to share source code at a single place. Okay. So basically I will create a single post for every video I will upload on YouTube. Okay. So you have to just come here using the link. I will put it in the description. You just have to click on this blog, and then just slide down and you will get, yeah, you can here subscribe it also. It will help you to just get the notification of upcoming vlogs. Okay. And about this, yeah, you can see we have HTML. I have provided here a full HTML code also. And when you just slide down, you will also get to know that there is CSS file also. You just have to click here, copy, and the just have to paste it in your VS Code, or create a file and paste it. Okay. And here you can see the JavaScript also available. So what you have to just do, just copy and paste it there. Okay. So I think it will. And yeah, please watch the full video also if you want to create the, it helps me a lot. And like and share also the videos, because I have to create a video, and it takes a lot of time and effort to just create a video. And if you guys also want to create websites like me, and if but you don't have money to buy a domain and hosting for now, so don't, no need to worry, guys. I have a best website for you where I just bought this .com, and there is a free version of free hosting also, so you can use it. So just go to search bar and type webhostmost.com, or I will also provide the link in the description, so go and check it out. This website, yeah, let me zoom it. Yeah, this website, just click here, and you will be redirected to the homepage of this website, where you can see they have WordPress hosting, Node.js, PHP, Python, and a free hosting also available. If you just go to here, plans and pricing, you will get that there is a Holiday Micro, Holiday Pro, and a Holiday Ultra. They have three billing segments, and yeah, three um, plans pricing. So if you want, you can buy or something, but let me just show you the free hosting. So here you can see they give you 125 MB of hosting plan via instant service activation, and they also guarantee we to never sell the data, unlimited free SSL, and ad free. Okay. So for that, just click here, start for free. And here, if you don't have domain, then use on this subdomain, but if you have, then use on domain. Okay. So I will create a name first, so I will write procoder 98. Okay, because I have already used 99 and 90. Okay. So yeah, you can see here, subdomain dot free web host dot most dot com. Just click on check, and it will check there is any procoder 98 dot free available or not. So yeah, here you can see we are redirected to this page, where the second step is to configure your plan. For that, just you have to just check out which server you want, like USA, Mumbai, India, or Australia. So I will choose Mumbai. Okay. And click on continue. So it takes a little 3 to 4 seconds. Yeah, you can see it's completed. Now move to here. It says $00, but you have to log in, or let me just scroll down a little bit. Yeah, you can see a free plan, but here you have to just if you already log in here, then just click on existing customer login. But if you don't, then just click here, create a new account, and add your first name, last name, and then everything. But if you already have account, then just click here existing customer. Okay, customer login. I already have an account, then I will just fill this form and login. Okay. And for the payment method, if you using Stripe or Braintree gateway or every UPI crypto gateway, you can add here card number or anything. It will not cut you any money or amount from your bank account. Okay. And if you feel that I don't have to uh, add card number or anything, just click on PayPal. Okay. So first let me log in here. So I will just type my password also, so that let me just log in here. First click on login here, and as you can see I am logged successfully. I will just hide my details. Okay, just click on PayPal and then click on checkout. Okay, if we have to click on this button also, then click on checkout. Now you can see we have redirected to this page, that is third part, and where there are details of which what we have and what that is procoder98.webhostmost.com. That is your website URL. And then what's your price, and when you go below you will get your information and what you are using for payment. But we have zero account, just click on I have read everything and then checkout. Yeah, after just click on checkout, you will be redirected to this page where you have to you can see you have a free plan, but I have a paid plan also. So yeah, this is my real account, and this is my free plan account, that is 98, and I told you I have already created 99. Okay, just click on access web control panel. When you click here, let me just wait a second. Yeah, you will get to know this server page. Okay, where you can see there is an email where you have to verify also. I think there will be, yeah, it get here information about to verify your email. And here you can see a free plan warning, but this is not, because it's a unlimited plan where this free plan will never get turned off. Okay, but you can upgrade it. Okay, this about this time you have to log in this dashboard in a 45 single time, 45 in 45 days to show your presence. Okay, so just come here, and if you want to upload your website or anything, just click here and click on file management. And in the file manager you can see there is a, wait a second, yeah, there is a folder name procoder99.freewebmosthost.com. Just click here, and yeah, you can see here a public.html where you can see there are too many options. And by the way, this website is live now. Let me just show you. Here I'm going to just type procoder99.webhost dot, sorry, that is free, sorry, that is freewebmosthost.com. Yeah, so you can see I have already uploaded my gaming website from on this URL. Okay, let me just show you. Yeah, you can see here style.css script, and yeah, let me tell you how you can upload this also. So let me just remove it. To upload a file, you have to click on upload file. Click on here. Now let's select the folder and upload. Then click on upload button. Then click on done. And after uploading this zip file, just right click and click on extract. Click here extract. It will extract this zip file. Let me just show you. Firstly, there is nothing, 4034 billion. Okay, so now just delete this zip file. We did not need this one, just delete it. Now just move the index.html and other files to this folder. So just go there and click here, and you can see these files. Now just copy or move these files to our public.html folder. Now we don't
need this folder right now, so let's delete this one.
And one more thing, your main folder name is always index.html, so that it will just take your index.html file and start working. So when I just refresh this page, you can see this file is already uploaded and start working. So you can create your own website and upload here and use it. And after the information, let me just go back. So here you can see, let me just access control this again. Here you can see I have used 1.13 MB of 125 MB. So you can see how many space you have to use. Okay, so if you are beginner, you can use this free web host. And when you think to in future, when you think to upgrade your, just go here and click on domain and then buy a domain. Okay, and it will upgrade to your framework domain that you are using.
So guys, that's all about today's video, and if you think we need changes in our website, so just comment below. And about this website, I am providing you link in the description, so go and click on the link and try to create your own website and feel free to use. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till now, happy coding.